Hello everyone, welcome back. Now, as I'm sure you probably know, I run quite a bit of a computer kit, a desktop downstairs for what I do my editing on. I have a tablet and a mobile phone, obviously. But my son has been getting me some laptops. He got me this one 2 or 3 years ago. It's not done too bad at all. It's an old Dell D630, and then very recently he picked up this very nice Sony Vaio for me, and basically what I've been doing is I've been running trying to run both of them from one mouse, you know, keep changing the little transponder from one tablet from one laptop to the next, and it's a bit of a pain in the bottom because one of these, probably this one here, is going to come up into the studio at some point or another, so I decided it was about time to get another mouse. This particular one runs on Peppermint, which is Linux, and this one has recently been running Windows 10. So as I'm not a big fan of running trackpads, touchpads, whichever you like to call them, I'm not really keen on it because it's a bit slow. I decided it was about time to purchase another little mouse like this one. This is a little Microsoft. It's quite nice, runs very nicely with whichever laptop I'm using on at the time. So last night I decided to go on Amazon and purchase another mouse. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be doing an unboxing and first test of this new mouse. So let's get on with it. Okay, so I've decided that this little mouse is going to be staying with the Sony laptop. So we'll put him over here a minute and bring in the Amazon box here. This has got my new little mouse in here. So what we'll do is I'll try and get into it. So I've not looked at this yet, guys. So chuck that in the bin. Right, open him up. What we've got in here then? Oh, it's in another little cardboard box, guys. Anything else in there? No. So over there with that lot, and here it is. So it's a little Tecknet cordless mouse. Anything else on the box? Not really. So what we'll do is we'll hello, it's all sealed. I'm gonna have to get a knife, guys. Let's use this seamer again and try and get into it without cutting ourselves. Okay, there we go. Hopefully this should just about allow us access to the mouse. Here it comes. What we've got in here then? Oh yeah, I had a Tecknet mouse at my last job. I remember there's a packaging. I remember the little card you get here. Well, here's the instructions you get with it, guys. The welcome guide. Oh, okay then. Explaining how to use your mouse. Okay then. Right, let's get him out of the bag. Let's have a look. What's he like? Oh, it's in a bag in a bag. That's good. 2 bags. Right, here it is. It's quite plasticky. Got a little button on the top there, so it is actually quite lightweight and a little bit plasticky. Well, let's see if we can get a closer look at it, shall we, guys? Right, so as you can see, it's got a very shiny plasticky top on it. It's plastic on the sides. There's no nice rubber on there at all. Quite lightweight. The buttons are supposed to be silent, but they do a little bit of clicking. What have we got underneath? There should, in theory, be an apartment to open up somehow or another. Here. Can we get into it? Yes, we can. There it is. There's a little transponder you get with it. There's the battery compartment. What do we put in there then? Oh, it's a AA. I'll just get myself a AA battery then, guys. And as if by magic, this AA battery appeared from somewhere. Right, pop him in and close the top up. This has apparently got a some form of snooze function on it if you leave it for a little while. Is it going to work? Is it working? Might be working, we don't know. Let's doesn't feel too bad, I suppose, but it's not quite as nice as my my little Microsoft mouse here, because this one's like rubber coated around the edge here, and it does feel actually quite nice to use and listen to the buttons. This one's a lot lighter. I suppose it'll do that. It'll do for what I want it to do. It's obviously silent, but okay, so I suppose we ought to get the laptop in and give it a go. Alrighty then guys, so here we are. It's the Dell up and running. Hopefully you can see the mouse or the cursor trotting about on the screen there. I'm using the mouse pad here. Right, so what we'll do is we'll get the little transponder plugged in here, like so. Is the mouse switched on? Oh yeah, here we go. It does work with the mouse, look guys, brilliant. And it's got you can change the how quick it trots about on the screen. That's a bit better. You can have it like, you know, the DPI. You can have it really fast, or we can slow it right down. Let's open up Chrome. Give that a minute or two. Well, this is actually Chromium, but all the same. Let's click in the box here. Let's type something in there, shall we? Oh look who it is. Ha! Brilliant. Right, and so let's have a look. Open up my YouTube account. There we go. Look at that, guys. So there we go. So it works. It's quite a nice little mouse actually. It's not too bad. It does what it's meant to do. Look, right click, and it's fairly quiet as well. Create new folder. Okay, well I don't think we really need that, so we'll delete that. If I can find out where we delete it with. Cut, well we'll cut it and that'll do it. No, it won't. Oh yeah, there it is. Delete. Delete. And away it goes. Okay, so it's not a bad little mouse, I suppose, for the price. I paid about £6 for it on Amazon. What's it doing here? It flicks about. I think it says wooden top. It keeps the mouse keeps jumping about every now and again. So I'll find it on Amazon for you guys. Okay, there it is then. That's the one, guys. That's the one I got. The little Omni here. There we go, magnified up so you can see it. So it's a bit plasticky, but it works. It I wonder if we can open stuff in a different. Let's have a look. Yeah, there we go. Open it in a different window or a new tab. Opening a new tablet by pressing the scroll button here. Quite useful. Scrolls quite nicely too, and we didn't have to install any drivers to actually operate the thing, guys, which is quite handy. Just plug it into oh, we're running out of battery on this whole thing as well. The battery doesn't last all that long, so we'll better switch it down then, guys. Menu, power, shut down. There it goes. There we are. So it's not a bad little mouse, guys. Yes, so there we go, guys. The Tecknet Omni mini mouse, little pocket-sized mouse you can take around with you, with a little transponder there. You can put basically you can take it with you and use it on any computer really. It seems to work alright on my little Linux-based Dell here. It's working alright. Right then, guys, I hope you enjoyed the review. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. You can click the little bell there to give you the chance of receiving channel updates, because I upload videos quite often actually, guys. And you can share it with your friends as well. You can also click like if you enjoyed the review. Don't forget you can also follow me on my Instagram account down there, and you can see all the pictures of stuff I've been putting up, what I get up to during the day, sometimes even at work sometimes, guys. And what I'll do is I'll put you a channel support card up at the end of the review, so you can find out different ways you can support my channel. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick little look at this mouse here. Straight out of the box, unboxing, its first use. I hadn't seen the thing before, never had a go with it before. Works alright with my Linux here. And I'll hope you'll come over again some other time, guys, for another look at some more stuff I've got. Alright guys, well, thanks for coming over. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you again some other time then. Laters!
Ruff, ruff.